Good evening, everybody. It's Saturday, April 25th, 2020. Happy COVID-19th. So, with the coronavirus lockdown, shutdown of everything, social distancing, mitigation efforts, everybody's going a little stir crazy, need to get out of the house. So we talked with all the neighbors around here in the valley, and we all decided that, yeah, it might be pretty neat to let freedom ring tonight. So we got a nice little display. Everything's going to be e-fired tonight. We're just using a cheap eBay billies-gone firing system. So we'll be starting off with the green and blue chrysanthemum from Liberty Bell, which you've seen before on our channel, and we'll work our way from there into the back. Here we got a butcher from Bada Boom Fireworks, part of a selection. And then we'll work our way through the Waking Evil and the Wanted. And then we got a rack of X-Cows. We'll set off some Battle of Colors, a Hot and Tasty. We got another, we'll do a single shot of a Bombastic in there. The red chrysanthemum, and then the good fella, the contract wise guy, and the silencer. And we'll just keep going right down that little aisle there. We'll go through the Waking Evil at the end. Then we got some single canister shots over there. They're all wired up individually, and we're going to mix them in. We got a lock and load and demon shell, and we'll work our way back here, and we'll shoot off a Hot and Tasty, another little 200 grammer that we really like. Has a pretty good pop for 200 grams. We got a Top Secret from Magnus, and we'll do a couple more single shots over there, maybe a lock and load. We'll go into the Rock the Casbah, and then we'll do a Bombastic shot again, canister. And we got another rack of X-Cows done up, and then we got a Willow Meeting, do another shot out of the single shotter. We got the Knuckin' Futs again from Pyro Demon, came from Bada Boom up there, Big Lou, great folks. We got over here, we're gonna swing over, we got a 30-shot rack of Bombastic that came from Kellner's, Salute to the Flag that came from Fire Art, and Dirty Dozen from Sky Song that came from Kellner's. Again, two other great places. Your mom and pop fireworks shop, great places to go. Fire Art, Kellner's, Bada Boom. Now I haven't been at Canepi's, but they're again just seeing their posts on pyrotalk.com. They're great folks. Then we'll work our way back over. We got a Bragging Rights from Dominator. Again, I love that cake. And then we'll have another rack over here. In the back, we got a rack of Jawbreakers from Pyro Nation, and some Demon Shells again from Pyro Demon. And we'll swing back across. Hopefully all goes right. We got another Bragging Rights, another rack of 20 X-Cows. They're around here somewhere. There's a 20 shotter we got fused up over here. Then we got a couple more shots from our single shotters over there that are wired up. And we got just a little 9 cake 200 gram fake finale. And we got like I say, those single shots we're working with it. And then we're going to work back over here. We got 2 raccoon branded Willow Explosions that I like. And what we're going to mix in with those is over here we have some Nishiki Blast with the yellow fuse, and 10 more with a quick fuse that we're going to pop up. So that's going to be our show. It's nothing special, just a nice little show to blow off some steam. Like I said, we've had a pretty rough week. The nation's had a pretty rough week, but us personally, we've had a real rough week here, and we just need to blow off a little steam tonight, and we're gonna have a good time. It's about 2 hours till shoot time. Again, a beautiful day here in South Central Pennsylvania in the backyard, and we'll see you guys in a little while. Cheap firing system that we're gonna be using tonight. It says 1200 Qs, but okay, we got 60 Qs, but I think we're using about 40 tonight. We got our script right there. Not really much of a script, just what's on what channel. So we're gonna try to do it all E-fire tonight, but we got the backup. So we got about 35 minutes to go. I actually seen some neighbors actually parked across the way over there, so that's pretty good. We're out back here. Again, beautiful evening now, finally, in south central PA. The wind has finally died down, so hopefully we're going to have a great evening. Again, let freedom ring. Have a great evening.